In this episode, I want to look at what it would mean to give animals a right to life. That may be the most significant and most basic right anyone can have, human or animal, and the one that has the most significant implications for us. Hi, I'm Carly, and welcome back to the Animal Rights Tour. A right to life would mean that an animal cannot be killed for food or sport. That would mean that we could no longer keep animals and then slaughter them for meat or clothing. It would mean an end to all factory farms, abattoirs. Now, that isn't going to suit a lot of people, so maybe this is a change in the law that won't happen for a while. Maybe it will never happen. That's for humans to decide. But these talks are about law, so let's get back to the legal issues. Here are a couple of things. What about wild animals? Will animal rights stop a lion eating a zebra? Well, probably not. Some people think they might, but animal rights laws will probably regulate behavior by humans towards animals, just like animal welfare laws today. Here's another. Which animals will have the right to life? Most of them will, certainly animals from sentient species. You remember, sentience is where an animal is aware of things around them, have family and friendship, feel pleasure and pain. Rights would be for sentient animals because they are the animals who would suffer from harm and benefit from good things being done to them. One last one. Will animals know they have a right to life? Probably not. We're not sure how much animals are aware of death. We think elephants mourn for a dead family member, but we don't think animals are aware of their own coming death. Have a look at Franz de Waal's book, Mama's Last Hug, about a chimpanzee and the last stages of her life. So if they aren't aware that they are going to die, like a human prisoner on death row, does it matter? I think the answer is yes. Not just for the sake of the animal, but because animal rights are about respect for the animal. And taking a life for our own pleasure does not show respect. And even if they don't have a concept or understanding of death, they surely have an interest in continuing to be alive, just like us. In the next episode, I want to look at another right, the right to bodily integrity. See you next time on the Animal Rights Tour.